Tired of design chaos? Let's ditch the design drama and dive into Dzine AI, your new secret weapon for stunning visuals. First up, logo creation. Dzine AI makes logo design a breeze. Just type in your brand name and a brief description, and watch the AI generate a multitude of unique logo options. You can refine everything from fonts and colors to symbols and layouts until it's perfectly on brand. Next, let's conquer social media graphics. Say goodbye to endless scrolling for the perfect template. Dzine AI has pre-designed templates optimized for every platform. Customize them with your images and text for eye-catching posts that grab attention. Now, for website design. Building a website has never been easier. Dzine AI offers a range of website templates, allowing you to quickly create a professional online presence. Simply drag and drop elements, customize the content, and boom, your website is ready to launch. And finally, marketing materials. From flyers to brochures and email templates, Dzine AI equips you with everything you need to promote your business. It simplifies the design process, saving you time and money. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Dzine AI empowers you to create professional quality designs with ease. It's the AI design tool you've been waiting for. Ready to unlock your design potential? Visit Dzine AI today and experience the future of design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI design tips. #AI design, #Dzine AI.